Let's go over the materials that you're going to need to make a beaded wreath ornament. You'll need any worsted weight category number 4 yarn, and you'll need 2 crochet hooks. The larger hook size, this is 4mm. This is for most of the project, and the smaller hook, a 3.75mm, is what you'll use for your beaded round that your bead will fit through. You'll want to make sure for the hook that you use for your bead round that it's the largest size that you could possibly fit through the bead. You'll also need some plastic pony beads. These are the ones that have the larger hole. You'll need some twine or the yarn for the hanging loop. You'll also need wood rings. I made projects in several different sizes, so any size wood ring should work. We'll also need a yarn needle, scissors, and then any embellishments you might want to glue onto your wreath ornaments. And you'll also need hot glue or super glue. To create a beaded wreath ornament, you'll make your slip knot, grab your hook and your wooden ring, put your hook through the wood ring, and put the slip knot on your hook and pull it through the middle of the ring. Now pull the working yarn through the slip knot to attach the yarn to the wood ring, and chain 1. And what we're going to do is work half double crochet around this entire wood ring. And if you plan on using 2 colors of beads, you're going to want to have your stitch multiple be a multiple of 4 around this ring. So again, work half double crochet around, and in a multiple of 4 if you plan on using 2 color beads. Once you've worked your half double crochet around, you'll join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. And for round 2, we're going to be working into the 3rd loop of this half double crochet. So you'll find the 3rd loop on the back of the stitch. So right on the back of it, there's this horizontal bar you'll be working into. And I'm going to switch my crochet hook to a 3.75mm. This is the largest size that will fit through my beads. I'm going to work this whole round with this size. So let's chain 1. And in the 3rd loop of your first stitch, you'll do a single crochet. And next you'll add a bead to your hook, just like that. And then you'll just single crochet like normal. Insert your hook into the 3rd loop. Yarn over by pulling the yarn through that stitch. Yarn over, and then just pull the working yarn through the first loop, the bead, and the 2nd loop on your hook. Just like that. And then single crochet in the 3rd loop in the next stitch. And then add another bead. And then single crochet like normal, but into the 3rd loop. And then that's what you'll be doing around for this entire round, is a single crochet. Add your bead. And then single crochet in the next stitch with your bead. So work that around all the way around, and I'll meet you to join. Okay, I've completed round 2. So join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. And then I'm going to pick up my hook that I was using previously. And for round 3, we're going to single crochet around, but we'll add some increases. So in the first stitch we'll single crochet, and we'll also single crochet in the next stitch, and we'll increase in the next. So 2 single crochet, and then we'll repeat that around. We'll single crochet in the next 2, and then increase in the next, so 2 single crochet. So go ahead and work that around, and I'll meet you to join. A single crochet in the next 2, increase by working 2 single crochet. Work that around. If you worked round 3 and you have stitches remaining after your last increase, just single crochet in the remaining stitches, and then you'll join to the first stitch in the round, and now for the last round we'll chain 1, and we'll skip the first stitch, and working in the back loop only, we're going to slip stitch around. So slip stitch in the back loop only all the way around this last round. Once you've completed your slip stitch around, you'll join with a slip stitch to the first stitch, and you could join in the back loop only to that. And then you'll fasten off, weave in your ends, and we'll add the hanging loop and some embellishments.